Keep pulling, you can get it. You need help? Callie will help.
I have trash bags.
There you go.
I'm sure. Well, I don't know if we'll need another one.
Yeah.
I don't want to leave it laying on the ground.
What's in the box, Jameson?
I mean the other bag. Well, you know what? I can give them something.
Did you want? Oh, look at those.
What are those?
Are those eyeball shirts?
Santa gave you eyeball shirts?
You want me to open it?
Take these jammies off. I want eyeball shirts on.
Alright, there you go. There's your eyeball shirt.
Show it to Grandma. What does it look like? It's a truck.
Oh, that's cool.
A truck with eyeball
That's
shirts.
cool.
It's the best of both worlds.
Yeah,
Yeah, but we're
Where's trash?
Yeah.
moving on.
yeah.
Is that heavy? That one's yours, Jameson. Are you going to open that?
I need to walk through here.
You're giving the dogs something so that they don't bother you. Although Maisie's just very happy, you know, to be guarding her food, or her little toy. I am triumphant. I have defeated the wrapping paper.
Right.
Jameson, why don't you look at the front? Look at the front of the box. Whoa! What is that? Is that your very own computer?
Do you need some help there?
Shallow will help you. Cool.
Look at you.
That's cool. Look at that fish.
You want it off?
He wants the sticker back.
Here's other stickers. Which one do you want?
Do you need some kitchen shears?
Yeah, that's right. I got a knife. Not quite the same as a creature series.
You want this one? Here. That's a gorilla.
Let's see, Jameson.